This is April 14th, 2018, St. Louis Park, Minnesota, and it's a blizzard. As you can see, I'll take you on a trudge from the front, or from the back, to the front. Show you down that street, and then I'm going to dig out. This is just mid-blizzard, but I'm already going to break out the snowblower. And then I'll do an after, show what this looks like with paths. Gonna be more of a pain in the ass to clean up than I expected. You can't really see it, but this is the sidewalk.